If you fall down and drop the weight on the floor, who cares? Who cares? But if you make it, I care. I want that. I want you to fail, and I want you to get up and do it again.
I'd rather die. I would rather die than be that loser guy.
Right now, you're 5% away. 5% away from being a champion. You know, when you think you're done, totally done, you have at least five more reps. Like nothing compares to squats. Now, the only place to go from failure is to win. You have to achieve failure. You have to take it that far. Nobody wants to go that far. It's too scary. But you know something? I got news for you. That's where winning is.